fall late. Many experts believe the economy will grow maybe 3% in the current quarter. But at the moment, leery consumers are holding on to their money. Consumer spending was flat in April, the weakest performance in 3 months. Economist Bob Bresco with Fact and Opinion Economics on what we're doing with our money.
Consumers have reacted to income gains by increasing their savings, which suggests that they're not very confident in the economy. So we see that in consumer confidence numbers, which after a while of gaining have actually made steps back.
There's been a lot of talk about whether the Fed will raise interest rates this year. He says he wonders about that now, given this latest economic information. At the moment, the NSA cannot legally collect your telephone records. Senator Rand Paul, a Republican presidential candidate, stood in the way as senators tried to renew that program last night.
This is what we fought the revolution over. Are we going to so blindly give up our freedom?
But beginning tomorrow, the Senate can vote on the USA Freedom Act, which contains many of the same provisions as the key parts of the Patriot Act, which expired last night. A flurry of rulings this morning from the Supreme Court. One has to do with immigrants in this country illegally who are accused of crimes. Does the law have the right to deny them bail? An Arizona county wanted to resurrect the state law that did that, but the court said no. And the court has thrown out the conviction of a Pennsylvania man accused of making threats on Facebook. Anthony Ilonis was charged with posting rap lyrics about killing his estranged wife. The Supreme Court has also sided with a Muslim woman who did not get hired after she showed up to a job interview with clothing retailer Abercrombie & Fitch wearing a headscarf. This is AP Radio News.
Sergeant Nathaniel Phillips, Soldiers Radio News. Observer coach trainers at Germany's Hohenfels training area are providing realistic training for soldiers of the regionally aligned 3rd Brigade Support Battalion. Sergeant First Class Jose Garcia says this environment will improve the soldiers' skills and their unit cohesion.
We try to replicate a reality as much as we can by using doctrine, by using lessons learned to give better training and coaching and mentoring to the soldiers coming through our lane.
Oklahoma National Guardsmen are giving relief to local ranchers by delivering food to their stranded livestock, a job that Chief Warrant Officer 3 Michael McGill is proud to do.
We do a lot of disaster relief. To me, that's the most enjoyable mission that we have as Guardsmen. That's the mission that we get to help our own folks out here at home, and something that really makes a difference.
For more news and information, check out iSoldier on our YouTube channel, Soldiers Math. And that's your Soldiers Radio News. From the Fox Sports Studios in Los Angeles, here's David Gascon.
Fourth round action at the French Open is underway, and Sloane Stephens is trying to pull off the upset of the number 1 seed, Serena Williams. Stevens took the first set 6-1, dropped the second set 7-5, and now Williams is back on top in the third set 3-2. As far as the major upset goes, number 2 seed Maria Sharapova got beaten straight sets 7-6 and 6-4 to Lucy Shapova. The number 13 seed upset the number 2 seed. On the men's side, Roger Federer got by Gael Monfils 3-1. Andy Murray did the same with Jeremy Chardy 3-1, 6-4, 3-6, 6-3. And also 6-2. In the NFL, Fox Sports has learned that Cam Newton is on the verge of signing an extension with the Carolina Panthers. The deal is reportedly 5 years and $100 million. In NASCAR, Jimmy Johnson wins the NASCAR Sprint Cup Series at Dover Speedway.
You wouldn't buy a pair of pants with just one leg, so why settle for a radio station that plays only one kind of music? For true music variety, it's AFN The Eagle. We put our variety on one leg at a time.
どんな雑誌ですか？サッカーは歌い手ゲートサッカーダイジェストとか、あとそれが出しているワールドサッカーダイジェストとか、あと埼玉だったので、その地域限定で出てる浦和レッズの R ジェラボンバって地域で出てるやつがあって、それも読んでたりとか、あと結構本当に表紙によって普段読んでなくても買ってみたりとか、結構そうやって何紙も買って比べ読みするのが好きで、雑誌をねこうなんか買いたくなるジャンルを持ってると、やっぱりその定期購読しなくても、おこの特集ならっていうことでね買っちゃいますよね。そうです。 史を割と触れる
ところで育ち。
そうですね、だから雑誌を読んでて自分でも書きたいなっていうのはなんとなく思い始めた。
サッカーの方で書きたいと思われたんですか？
サッカーの方は思わなかったですね。そうですか。サッカーは読む専門ですね。
じゃあ音楽の方でしびれた雑誌の記事とかって例えばどんな内容のものですか？覚えてます？
僕でも多分一番のきっかけになってるのはスヌーザーっていう雑誌の田中総一郎さんの記事に触れた時が多分わって思った気がするんですよ。
それまたどうして？
あの方もともとロッキンオンにいらっしゃってそこから独立されてるんですけど、僕タイミング的にロッキンオンにいらっしゃったの知らなくて、その独立後にその人を初めて知って、でそれで何の前情報もなく急に現れてきた人が一番最初にスヌーザーっていう雑誌を創刊した時の表紙のラインナップを見て、これ俺のために作ったやつだな来たなと思って、このチョイスすごいな。
どんなラインナップ？
最初は洋楽メインで、なんだろう、具体的には何だったかな、レディオヘッドとか、アッシュとかブラーとかその辺のいわゆるブリッドポップ、
UK 感。
そうですね。僕その頃は結構 UK だったので、なんかそういうので結構ガツンときて、それが多分最初のガツンときた体験だった気がします。
ちょっとボリボリと先ギターサウンドとちょっと差に構えた感がある。
そうですね。ちょっと背伸びをやっぱり